Hi guys! Today we're speaking about a rotary machine for tattoo and permanent makeup from Chinese company. It's budgetary equipment and quite popular in American market. Its name is Rocket 2. Let's learn more about it. My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. All information in the video is a subjective opinion of the author. So, please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. If you want to improve your professional level in permanent makeup or get a new profession permanent makeup artist, I'm waiting for you on my online courses in English and Russian. I will show and talk simple about the most difficult. We don't have any information about the company. We know only that this is Chinese company. Therefore, let's talk about the box. From the outside, it looks like an ordinary black box. It doesn't have logos and any informations. So, let's see what's in the box. I'm seeing second box with the clip cord. The tattoo clip cord connector has RCA interface. This set without spare parts. Here is the Rocket 2. It's a rotary pen. I have a blue pen. I'm feeling it's heavy. The length is 118 millimeters. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I will tell you very interesting information and share relevant content with you. Different shops write that the machine weight is 140 grams. We will check it on the scales. The weight is not correct. It on the scales 149 grams. In the hand, I'm feeling its weight. Your hand needs to get used to the weight. Rocket 2 has 5 colors: black, red, blue, gray and pink. Its price is about $50. Grip's diameter is from 21 to 26 millimeters. We can sterilize the grips because it is fully removed. Based on my experience, I use disinfectant and autoclave, and I don't use the high temperature sterilizer box because it can affect the color of grip. This tattoo machine is compatible with many cartridges and works with different power supplies. Operating voltage is from 6 to 9 volts. I work in permanent makeup with voltage from 4.5 to 6.5 volts. The stroke length is 3.5 millimeters. This is a factory setting that we cannot change. This tattoo machine is hybrid. The needle protrusion is adjusted by turning the grip with fixing clicks. It's to 4.5 millimeters. Also, based on my experience, I use the needle protrusion on this tattoo machine from 3 to 3.5 millimeters for good flow pigments. Let's turn on it. I will work with the power supply Aurora. The cartridge and pigment is from the Fender company. I turn on 5 volts. The tattoo machine has a little vibration and noise. Guys, let's go. Look at the pixels. I think pixel is small. Rocket is quite soft and work. Well, let's sum up our video review. This tattoo machine is from Chinese company. The machine weight is 149 grams. Rocket 2 price is about $50. It does all kinds of works, shading and lining, but your hand needs to get used to the weight. It works with different power supplies and compatible with many cartridges from famous companies. The tattoo machine is well for PMU and tattoo artists which only begin to work, don't have a big budget and don't afraid its weight and dimensions. I will leave links where you can buy this device from video description. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.